many Canadian seniors, OAS plays a major role in everyday life. It helps cover groceries, utilities, medications, transportation, and monthly bills. But the problem is this. The cost of living in Canada has increased dramatically over the past few years. Food prices feel much higher. Electricity bills continue rising. Insurance costs are increasing. And housing remains one of the biggest financial pressures in the country. For seniors living on fixed income, all of this creates serious stress, because retirement income usually does not rise as quickly as living costs. And many retirees are now watching every dollar carefully. That's why OAS payment updates get so much attention online. People want to know, will payments increase? Will seniors receive more support? Or will retirement continue becoming harder? And honestly, many Canadians are worried about the future. One of the biggest reasons retirement feels different today is inflation. Even small yearly price increases slowly reduce purchasing power over time. Something affordable a few years ago may now cost much more, and for seniors on limited income, that becomes a major problem. Years ago, many Canadians imagined retirement as a peaceful stage of life. After decades of work, people expected stability and financial comfort. But today, a growing number of retirees are being forced to cut spending, delay retirement, return to work, or rely more heavily on government support. That trend is becoming increasingly common across Canada, and many experts believe financial pressure on seniors may continue growing if living costs remain high. What's interesting is that younger Canadians are paying attention to this too. Many young workers already struggle with expensive rent, housing prices, debt, and rising daily expenses. And when they see seniors struggling financially despite receiving retirement benefits, it creates anxiety about their own future. Some younger Canadians genuinely wonder whether retirement will even be affordable decades from now, because life already feels expensive today. And many fear the future could become even more difficult. That's why conversations around OAS, CPP, and retirement planning are becoming much bigger across Canada now. People are starting to realize retirement requires much more preparation than previous generations expected. One common mistake many Canadians make is assuming government benefits alone will fully support retirement. Programs like OAS and CPP are important, but many financial experts believe additional savings are often necessary for long-term comfort, especially in expensive cities. Another major mistake is carrying debt too late into retirement. Mortgage payments, loans, and credit card debt can quickly increase financial stress, and healthcare costs later in life can also become expensive unexpectedly. That's why more Canadians are now focusing on budgeting, reducing debt, and planning earlier for retirement. Because retirement today is simply more expensive than many people expected years ago. The truth is, OAS payment discussions in 2026 are getting huge attention because millions of Canadians are worried about retirement costs. Living expenses continue rising, financial pressure is growing, and many seniors are trying to make their retirement income stretch further every month. At the same time, younger Canadians are becoming increasingly concerned about their own future retirement as well. The good news is that more people are finally paying attention to retirement planning earlier than before, because understanding these financial challenges now may help Canadians prepare better for the future. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more Canadian retirement updates, OAS discussions, pension news, and financial topics. And let me know in the comments, do you think retirement in Canada is becoming too expensive for the average person?